Do you want to expose your YouTube content to a larger audience so you can get more views and sales? Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to post your YouTube videos on Instagram TV or IGTV from your computer or mobile phone. You'll get more views and connect with a different audience. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Here are some of the top benefits of posting your YouTube videos on IGTV. Number 1 billion people use Instagram every month. Number 2, you can upload a full video from your desktop or mobile phone. Number 3, ability to upload a 15-minute video from your mobile phone or a 60-minute video from your desktop. That means you can upload the full video from YouTube to IGTV without changing its length. Number 5, every video can have a title, description, and cover photo. Number 6, you can add clickable links in the description. Number 7, you can add multiple hashtags in the description so people can easily find you on Instagram. Number 8, a preview of your IGTV will show up in your Instagram profile. When someone taps on the preview video, they'll be able to watch the full video on IGTV. So what are the main requirements to post your YouTube videos on IGTV? You need an Instagram account. You need to install the Instagram app on your phone. You need to create an IGTV channel. You need to upload the MP4 video file to Instagram. Maximum file size for 10-minute videos is 650 megabytes. Maximum file size for 60-minute videos is 3.6 gigabytes. Here are steps to post a YouTube video on IGTV from your computer.
Step 1, go to Instagram.com. Step 2, click the people icon. Step 3, click on IGTV. Step 4, click upload. Step 5, drag and drop your video file. Here's my video file, how to share a YouTube video on Instagram and get more views. Okay, it's uploading. Step 6, add a cover image. So it must be JPG or PNG file. The minimum recommended size is 492 by 762 pixels. I created a custom cover image using YouTube Stories in Canva, the free online graphics software. So I'm going to upload that. Click Edit. Here's my image. Highlight the image. Click Open. Enter your title. How to share YouTube videos on Instagram to get more views. Add a description. Here's my description. You can also post a clickable link in here, so I'm going to add a call to action. Download this free worksheet today to evaluate your YouTube channel and boost your YouTube growth. Check the box that says post a preview. Now it says where your video will appear, IGTV. Then you can also check the box that says IGTV and Facebook page if you want. It says reach more people by making your videos visible on IGTV and your Facebook page. So I can save the draft, or I can post. Let's click Save Draft. It says uploading, how to share YouTube videos on Instagram to get more views. It says preparing your videos. And here it is. Share YouTube video on Instagram. How do you post a video from drafts to IGTV? Click on the video. It says edit video. Click post. It says don't close this page until your video is uploaded. Here's my video. If I click on it, I've got my title, got my description, and I've got my clickable link here also. I can also play it here. That's how it looks on desktop. Let's see how it looks on the phone. And here's how the IGTV video displays on my phone. It just gives a preview, and then you just tap on the watch full IGTV video to see the full video.
Here are the steps to post a YouTube video on IGTV from your mobile phone.
Make sure you've uploaded the video file from YouTube to your phone. Tap the Instagram app. Tap the IGTV icon at the top right. Tap the plus sign. Tap on the YouTube video file that you uploaded to your camera roll. Tap Next. It says to select the cover image, choose a frame from your video or an image from your camera roll. I could select the cover image by just moving the slider to capture a frame from my video. I created a custom image in Canva of 1080 by 1920 pixels like I showed you previously. I then uploaded it to my camera roll.
So I'm going to select the custom cover image from my camera roll.
Tap the plus sign. Here it is. Tap on the image. Now I have my custom cover image. Tap the title. Tap the mic icon. How to use social media to promote YouTube content. Tap the mic icon again to use a voice recorder on your phone. Do you want to expose your YouTube content to different audiences so you can get more views? Discover how to share your YouTube content on social media so you can reach different audiences. Add a clickable link. Add a link to your YouTube channel, your landing page, or a product if you wish to. I'm just going to add the URL to my YouTube channel. It says post a preview. Previews appear on the profile and feed. So if you want to enable that, make sure you slide the slider to the right. Edit profile cover. Don't need to do that. Facebook and watch. Make visible on Facebook. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to leave that off.
Now I'm ready to post a video. Oh, I almost forgot. I still got to add the hashtags.
So I go up to the description, leave a couple of spaces, go to the Notes app on my phone, tap the screen, tap select all, tap copy, tap done. Go back to Instagram and post to my hashtags there. Now I've got all my hashtags in there. Okay, now I've got all my hashtags in there. I can just tap post. If I tap the people icon at the bottom right, then I can see all my videos posted on my profile. Here's my IGTV video, and it says watch full IGTV video. So it's just providing a preview of my video on the Instagram profile, but people can watch the full video on IGTV. You can see the description below the video, and you can see the link below that description. It says 0.20 seconds remaining, and if I want to keep watching the video, I can just tap keep watching. And now I'm watching the full video. If I tap this icon, I can add a comment. If I tap this icon, I can add the video to my story. If I tap these three dots, I can copy the link, edit it, save it, or view the insights.
Let's take a look at the video on Instagram from my computer.
Here are all the videos on my profile. If I click on IGTV, I can see all the videos here on for IGTV. If I click on the video, I can see my title, description, the clickable link, and the hashtags. If you view the IGTV video from your desktop, you'll get the black bars at the top and bottom. This won't happen when you view it from your mobile phone.
Let me ask you a question. Do you currently post your YouTube videos on Instagram? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Here are some important things to keep in mind when you post your YouTube videos on Instagram TV. Number 1, add relevant hashtags. You can add up to 30 hashtags in your description. Make sure they're all relevant to the content of your video. Number 2, create a title, description, and cover image that grabs the attention of your viewers. Number 3, add a clickable link in the description. This could be linked to a YouTube channel, landing page, product, or service. Keep in mind your link is only clickable when viewed from a desktop computer, so why not post your whole YouTube video to IGTV? Number 4, respond to comments. Make sure you engage with your viewers by responding to comments. Number 5, remove YouTube call to actions. If you ask people to click the link in the card or click the links in your end screen, you might want to remove them before you upload the video to Instagram. If you leave them in there, it won't make any sense to your Instagram followers. How can you easily convert your YouTube video to a square video so it looks like this? I'm glad you asked. Just watch my next video on how you can quickly and easily create a square video for Instagram from a YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.